for a high-speed rail project early next year. A high-speed train network has been planned to trip alongside the current rail network and will facilitate transport with speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour. Governors have also been allowed to petition the government to have a station built in their province. The high-speed train network will help transport goods such as electronics, seafood, and produce to other ASEAN members for an estimated revenue of 336 billion baht by 2018 from food exports alone. The first phase of the project is slated to finish in 2018 with a budget of 400 billion baht. Advisory Board Chairman Thani said the government is currently in talks with bidders from South Korea, Japan, China, and France.
Thailand and two other rubber-producing countries, namely Indonesia and Malaysia, have agreed on measures to shore up declining rubber prices. Deputy Agriculture and Cooperatives Minister Thani said following a meeting of the International Tripartite Rubber Council in Bangkok that Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia agreed to reduce their overall natural rubber exports by as much as a combined 300,000 tons and begin cutting down 100 rai of aging rubber trees. The two measures are expected to cut total rubber exports by 450,000 tons. Mr. Thani elaborated that the ministry is set to compensate farmers participating in the scheme with 16,000 baht per 1 rai of rubber trees felled. The ministry is instructing the Department of Agriculture to hold talks with rubber farmers and exporters to explain the measures in detail.
Tourism Thai agency plans to almost double its dry bulk shipping fleet in 3 years as a focus on Europe-US cargo shields it from tumbling rates for hauling commodities to China. The fleet will climb to as many as 30 vessels from 16 by September of 2015. Thailand's second biggest dry bulk shipping operator plans to buy new and used vessels as part of the expansion program. Tourism Thai's shipping operations were profitable in the quarter ended in June because of demand to steel pipes, nickel ore, and other products across the North Atlantic, where rates are about 13% higher than the global average. The company also recently reorganized its fleet, so it had younger handy-size and supermax bulk ships to help reduce costs and weather a slump in worldwide freight rates. Tourism Thai, which deploys about half its fleet in the North Atlantic, rose 0.7% to 15.4 baht in Bangkok trading yesterday. The company has fallen 22% this year compared with a 19% gain for the benchmark SET index.
And those were our business news stories this afternoon. Next we have Stock Report.
Keep in tune with the latest national headlines at Radio Thailand on FM 88. Stock Report.
In today's local trade, the SET composite index went down